Financial management in SAP Business One is designed to enable small to medium-sized businesses to manage all your key functions with one comprehensive system. This easy-to-use software solution supports the entire financial process, from planning, budgeting, forecasting and reporting to cash flow management, while providing control over your assets and liabilities. Financial management in SAP Business One gives you easy access to information that allows you to fully understand your company's financial status. SAP Business One is a comprehensive financial management application that brings together enterprise resource planning, customer relationship management, and supply chain operations in one integrated solution. You can use it for budgeting and forecasting, cash flow management, analysing the impact of various scenarios on your business performance, or even managing large amounts of data from various sources such as books, contracts, and emails. With SAP's advanced modelling capabilities, you can quickly develop reports based on historical transactions as well as forecasts based on changing assumptions about future activities. One of the biggest challenges for any small business owner is managing finances. It can be difficult to keep track of incoming and outgoing payments, especially if you're managing multiple accounts and invoices. The banking and reconciliation functionality in SAP Business One is the perfect tool for automating and accelerating incoming and outgoing payments. With the Payment Wizard, you can clear multiple accounts receivable and accounts payable invoices in batch mode for checks and bank transfers. Payments are executed according to your selection criteria and payment method, such as check, bank transfer, credit card or cash, and then journal entry transactions are posted automatically once the process is completed. You can process external bank statements to generate incoming and outgoing payments and reconcile your balance sheet accounts. In addition, you can use a reconciliation engine to match payments that are not reconciled automatically, such as payments made on account by opening items either automatically or manually, and filtering by general ledger account or by business partner. Controlling. The ability to manage cash flow and accurately forecast your cash requirements is crucial to running a successful business. Financial management in SAP Business One provides intuitive features and reports that help you run your business more profitably. You can optimize liquidity by accurately forecasting your cash flow and cash requirements, efficiently handle payment terms, customer reminders, and cash collections. For example, you can set up workflow-based alerts that notify you of pending payments that may affect your cash flow. In addition, you can track customers that have unpaid invoices and automatically generate reminder letters based on the length of delay, the payment terms, and the amount due. Because SAP Business One runs on the SAP HANA platform, robust functionality and in-memory computing power take cash flow forecasting to the next level of performance by including sales orders, purchase orders, down payments, recurrent postings, and other critical cash-related transactions in real-time calculations. Using multi-branch cost accounting, or MBCA, you can track departments or divisions separately to determine how much spending is generated for various business purposes. You can manage direct and indirect expenses and revenues that are spread across multiple business activities by setting up distribution rules for automatic allocation of revenues and expenses. Fixed asset management. Fixed assets are physical assets that you own for more than a year and use in your business. Examples include land, building, machinery, vehicles, and furniture. SAP Business One Fixed Asset Management provides you with a comprehensive system for managing fixed assets. You can track your fixed assets through their life cycle and depreciate them as needed. In addition, if you need to move assets from one cost center to another, you can easily do so within SAP Business One Fixed Asset Management. Assets data maintained in item master data, you can track fixed assets through their life cycle, depreciate as needed, or transfer to other cost centers when necessary. With fixed assets data maintained in the item master data, you can track fixed assets through their life cycle, depreciate as needed, or transfer to other cost centers when necessary. You also have the ability to plan the depreciation of your fixed assets using popular methods such as straight line period control, declining balance, or multi-level methods. Depreciation can be calculated with the monthly base or annual base. You can appreciate a fixed asset by creating a manual depreciation document or perform a fixed asset revaluation. SAP Business One also enables you to purchase and sell your fixed assets using documents such as an accounts payable or accounts receivable invoice, a credit memo or reserve invoice. You can change the asset class of a fixed asset by creating a transfer document. Financial reporting and analysis. The reporting capabilities of SAP Business One are extensive. You can create standard or customized reports from real-time data to improve your business planning and audit review processes. SAP Business One is powered by SAP HANA, which enables you to run multi-dimensional analyses on live data. This gives you sharper insight into the bigger financial picture before you make those business-critical decisions. A wide range of financial reports are available, such as balance sheets, profit and loss statements, profitability reports, multi-period comparisons, aging reports, and even budget reports. Using interactive drill down and drag and relate functionality, you can click through the relevant data and get the answers you need. Accounting. SAP Business One financial management features provide a comprehensive set of financial tools that help you make critical financial decisions based on accurate information. These include flexible reporting options for different types of users or functions within your organization. You can tailor the level of detail and analysis in your reports and analyses to meet the needs of each group or individual user in your organization. For example, you can create reports that focus on specific transactions or accounts and include additional details such as taxes, fees, and other costs. You can also customize reports to display only the information needed by each user group within your organization. A robust set of account classes and balances in each ledger code group. The financial management software helps manage cash flow more effectively by providing more than 40 account classes with different balances for each ledger code group. This enables you to view at a glance all accounts that belong to a particular balance sheet component, for example, assets, liabilities, or equity. It also allows you to see how each account class contributes to overall liquidity, whether it's positive or negative, so that you can take appropriate action if needed, for example, transfer funds between accounts. Multi-currency support with multi-currency reporting capabilities. Multi-currency support allows you to run your business in multiple currencies and report on financials in any of those currencies. This feature helps you increase your sales in global markets and make better informed decisions about pricing, inventory management, and other aspects of your business. Multi-company reporting makes it easy for you to compare the performance of different companies or divisions within your organizations against one another. You can use this feature to analyze trends across multiple companies or regions so you can improve profitability, manage risk, and make better business decisions. So, to summarize, like many ERP solutions, SAP Business One's financial management module provides a number of features that help businesses manage their finances effectively. However, because it is customizable to the needs of specific companies and industries, the application is uniquely suited to small to medium-sized businesses looking to grow beyond their current market. The business attributes and reporting features allow for greater customization and deeper insight into business performance, and its modular approach allows users to implement the solution slowly over time as they need it and eliminates the need to purchase unnecessary functionality. So, overall, it is a versatile solution that provides small businesses with a rich variety of features at a price that they can afford. To learn more about the accounting and financial features of SAP Business One, please visit www.signum-solutions.co.uk.